Hi Darla, this is Michaela. I spoke with you earlier today, and as mentioned, I have just a quick video going over different ways to get new leads to your website alone, as well as go over your overall online presence. To start, I do have a background with digital marketing, and I can tell you that Google looks at three different aspects when ranking different websites on the platform. Number one, and probably the most important and most influential for organic movement on that Google platform, is going to be content. And content is anywhere that actual text shows up on your website. I see you have a little bit, but you don't have a whole lot. I'm going to show you why content is so important. Let's look at an example. Anytime you do a basic Google search for anything specific, Wikipedia is always the #1 search result. Why is that? It's because it has so much content. So what we typically recommend after looking at your competitions page and doing some research in your area, I'm going to say that you need about 1,000 to 1,500 words of content on your home page alone. This is going to allow Google to find you based on content, but also allow us to rank you for a bunch of keywords. With that said, on every additional page, and what we typically recommend is for every one of your service pages to have its own separate page. We do this for two reasons. One, again, we add a bunch of content to your website. We typically recommend about 750 words per web page, as well as appropriate keywords within it regarding the service topic at hand. So like deep clean services might include carpet cleaning in your area, and tile and grout cleaning, upholstery cleaning, and so forth. So putting those appropriate keywords are going to help you get found on multiple search avenues. I'm going to take you real quick here to Ahrefs, and this just gives me an overall breakdown of how you're doing on the internet today. And as you can see, you're not getting anybody clicking on your website on a monthly basis. And that's for a few reasons. Again, you're only ranking for one keyword, which is Dust Angels, the name of your business. So unless someone sought you out specifically, you're missing out on being found for different search options, such as carpet cleaning in your area, upholstery cleaning in your area, or surrounding areas. We definitely have ways of getting that content those keywords in the content on your website, allowing you to be found for different keywords. Next, I'm going to show you this DR number is directly related to backlinks and referring domains. This refers to a backlink, which is anywhere that your business's website is listed on a different website. So think Angie's List or HomeAdvisor.com, that they provide a link on their site linking back to your website. Getting good quality, trusted backlinks and domains is going to throw a lot of influence to your website, driving this number up. Next, let's look at UR. UR refers to citations. When I do a carpet cleaning basic Google search, these top 3 people are going to show up on the Google My Business or the Google Map, right? And they're going to typically get the most business just from being visible. I mean, that's what we want as businesses, right? We want to be in front of people, getting our name out there and found. So securing a top position is going to be crucial. How do we do that? We add citations, and a citation is anywhere that your business name, address, and phone number show up on some sort of online directory. So think Yelp or Yellow Pages. By getting a lot of these, you're going to quickly move up this ladder and secure a top spot. By doing so, this UR number is going to go up. Now, the key with these two numbers, Google likes them to be as close to a 1-to-1 ratio as possible. So driving both of these numbers up at the same time is going to do well for giving you stability on that Google platform. Meaning you're not going to fluctuate like you see here. You're not going to go up and down all over the ranks. You're actually going to stay pretty stable, and it's going to be hard for Google or other businesses to kind of bypass you or push you out of that spot, okay? Obviously, the higher we go, the higher up the ranks we go. The more ways we can be found, the more clicks and traffic to our website we get. So I hope this was good information for you, Darla. If you have any questions, feel free to call me or send me an email if you don't mind letting me know your thoughts about this video. And I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.